Hello, Sammy. Are you having a good preem? I think all your viewers know how cute you are. A few feathers just come away there, didn't they? I hope you're not going to go through another molt again. Feathers going everywhere. That, unfortunately, that's what happens to budgies. They molt and then they grow new feathers. I don't know whether it's true or not, but I think I read it somewhere that budgies have well over 3,000 feathers on the body. And when they do this preeming, they go through every single feather on the little body. So it must be an hard task to keep clean every day, being a budgie. But I am going to give you a bath after, Sammy. Promise. Whether you'll use it or not is up to you. Sadly, some birds can also lose the feathers. Like I know someone who's got a budgie who was called, and his budgie suffers from what's called French molt. And when that happens, he says his poor little budgie can't even fly because he loses that many feathers. And I believe French molt is contagious to budgies. And the story is with his budgie is when he come across it at a pet shop, they were on for culling the flock of budgies, and he rescued that budgie. So the budgie was lucky because it is contagious, French molt, among birds. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you liked what you saw, please like the video and subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching. Bye.